Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Sorry about the bad lighting. Going on a new trip in my mom's car. Sorry for the bad audio too. She got a new car, Cadillac. So let's get this started. This place is amazing. This car is amazing. Oh, that sunroof is nice.
Yeah, big, isn't it?
Keep your own sunroof back there.
Perfect. What's going on?
Huh?
We just got inside. Car ride was pretty nice, everyone. This is what my brother is up to. Why are you just following us around? But yeah, the car is very nice. I would rate it, let's go 10 out of 10. Cadillacs are good. Would you? Yep. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. I just gotta...
Somebody stole your socks. Come over here.
So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Sorry I haven't been uploading. School is just a monster. Big time. Yeah, and I also just film on the phone. Let me show. Right there. Yep, just the phone. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.